Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nokia 3210 and let me share with you how to add the photo to a contact in this device. So let's start with entering your contact list. We have to open this menu, so just press this middle button, go up to contacts, select, and here we've got our contact which we would like to customize. So let's tap on open, press open, so the middle button, go up, edit, go up again, and now we can add a picture. So press add, and here you will have your own gallery, so the photos which you've previously taken, or you can tap on this camera icon and then your device will open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and if you're able to catch a photo of him or her. As you can see, and the photos which I've previously taken are not the best, so I think it is the best idea to just take a photo right now. So just press select on the camera. Let me take a photo of it. Okay, we've got it. And now in this step we can change the position of this circle, which is responsible for what we will see after saving the whole contact. So you have to position it in a proper way, let's say. If you're happy with the results, with the positioning and everything, simply press this left button which is connected with this tick icon. As you can see here, we've got our photo applied, so now we have to save our contact. Just press the left button again and select save contact, and as you can see, this is how our contact will look like. You will be able to see this photo on the contact list and, for example, during all incoming calls from that specific number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.